It's Sunday afternoon. We're down here in Niagara Falls, Canada. We're gonna take a walk around and let's see what's going on during the day. I haven't been down here for a while, so let's check it out. Of course, the Niagara Speedway go-karts is going. It's a nice sunny day, but it is a little chilly. I think it's about 16 degrees Celsius today. We're just making our way to Clifton Hill, and we'll start off there, and then we'll make our way down to the falls. They have a zombie attack 6D adventure ride. I guess these seats move and there's a screen. That's pretty cool. Of course, funnel cakes, that's a very popular thing to get whenever you're down here. Of course, a lot of calories, but there we have this dragon, and breathes fire every now and then, every couple of minutes. It's a dinosaur. Tim Hortons, of course, everywhere. Mini putt. Here's the famous Sky Wheel, of course. Each cab is air conditioned or heated depending on the time of year that you're here. And of course we have 10-pin bowling. There's a bar and of course a lot of games for the kids. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Crunchy cream waffle cones. There we have it, look at that. Lots of snacks. Fudge Factory. There's nothing going on today. Usually they have a little demonstration on how they make it on this table. A lot of stuff in here though. Wow. Great Canadian Midway, of course, another gaming area, video games. Wax Museum, of course. All right, just outside Niagara Brewing Company. Of course, great place to have a couple of drinks and some food. Rainforest Cafe. There you go, haunted house. Spartacus, wait! Now let's walk down by the water and check out the falls. It's quite busy for a Sunday. And of course, there's a Starbucks here if Tim Hortons is not your thing. You can get a Starbucks coffee or some drinks and snacks. Some gift shops and stuff downstairs. There's the US side, Niagara Falls, and of course, Made of the Mist. The red ones are Canadian, and the blue ones over on the left, those are the Americans. If you like zip lining, there's also a zip line here that you can go on. There's 4 lines there. You'll go down and there'll be a small little shuttle that you bring you back up. They also do fireworks at 10 p.m. and that goes until about October. They do it throughout the summer. It goes until about October. 5-minute fireworks show, and it's every night at 10 p.m. There's the Skyline Tower. Of course, you can go up there and have lunch or dinner. I've never been up there. I'm not sure the prices, but I hear it's okay.
Victoria Park South. No, I was saying that the bus. I'm sorry.
So if you've gotten this close to the falls, you're probably going to notice that you're going to get wet, and that's not rain, it's actually the mist that's coming off the falls. This right here is the best spot in Niagara Falls to view the falls. Right over the water. This used to be the old Dragonfly nightclub. That was around a long time. It's now closed, and I'm not sure what they're doing with the space now, but the casino, I believe, took it over. But the Dragonfly was in operation well over 20 years. There's the casino. And directly across the street, of course, is the Hilton. And there's a excellent spot to hang out with live music. It's called Wildflower. They recently just changed the name. Wildflower Social. Excellent spot with a patio. If you're coming down here to Niagara Falls, or you're planning to and you're looking for parking, there's lots of parking around. And today is a Sunday, but typically if you want the cheapest parking, you get it right here at New York Times convenience store. It's $5. This is absolutely the cheapest parking today in all of Niagara. Now it's time to get some lunch at Chuck's Roadhouse.
It never is, because your bridge is your control.
Cheers. I got a spicy chicken with sweet potato fries and some spicy ranch with a Caesar salad.